To bulk upload issues in Jira, you can use the CSV import feature. This allows you to create or update multiple issues at once by importing data from a CSV file. Here's how to do it. Prepare your CSV file. Create a CSV file with the necessary columns for Jira issues, such as summary, description, issue type, priority, assignee, etc. Ensure your data aligns with the fields in Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with administrative privileges. Navigate to the import wizard. Go to the Jira dashboard and click on Jira settings in the bottom left corner. Select System from the settings menu, then under Import and Export, choose External System Import. Select CSV Import. Click on CSV to start the CSV import process. Upload CSV file. Click Choose File and select the CSV file you prepared. Click Next. Map CSV fields. Map the columns in your CSV file to Jira fields. Ensure each column is correctly matched to the corresponding Jira field. Configure import options. Choose whether to create new issues or update existing ones. Review other import options such as setting up issue types, projects, and custom fields. Start import. Click Begin Import to start the process. Jira will validate and import the data from your CSV file. Monitor import status. Check the import progress and review any errors or warnings. Once complete, verify that the issues have been correctly uploaded.